This record store is the Manhattan 45 record store in New York City. If you'll have the opportunity to visit and spend some time in town, check them out. We're going to share their link to their Instagram profile in the chat. Check out this. These are beautiful sleeves branded with their logo. The experience has been really nice. We met the owner, Richard, who was incredibly kind and introduced us to the I would say workflow. It was the first time I visited a record store when I was given a card with a QR code printed and stamped and printed on it. And you can use this card to charge your credit, and then also to slide it in and put your headphones on and enjoy the records, listen to new records if you want to dig and find out about some awesome titles they have there. So Richard was incredibly kind, and this record that I'm about to play actually comes from New York and was suggested by Richard. I really enjoyed it, so we're gonna start to work our way up, and while we enjoy this, I'm going to share the Instagram profile of Manhattan 45, this beautiful and niche record store in New York City. I hope you're gonna enjoy the track. Stay tuned, streaming live from beautiful Conegliano in Venice region, Italy. This is 0 to 100. We're gonna spend together an hour listening to good music, enjoy news from the underground world, especially from our side of the world. Yeah, we're gonna have a good time together. Stay tuned and feel free to interact in the chat.